Hello students, today we are studying past indefinite tense. Past indefinite. Yesterday we studied present indefinite, today past indefinite. Past indefinite. Where do we use this type of tense? The past action which has been completed. The time also has been passed. In that condition, we can say that we use this tense. Time complete and time also has passed. There are so many conditions which you can study in your grammar book. Now, rule. Affirmative rule, subject, second form and object. In present indefinite, yesterday we studied first form of the verb, but in past indefinite, remember, we use second form. Sumit helped me yesterday. Subject Sumit. Second form helped. Object me yesterday, etc. Any etc. word is given, we use after object the extra word. The students made a noise in the class. Subject the students. Second form made. Object a noise in the class. Subject second form object. Subject second form object. Subject second form object. So always remember that in past indefinite we use second form and object, subject same, only the verb change. In present indefinite, first form SOS, past indefinite, second form. Now clear? Now past indefinite, negative. Negative means any negation. Subject did not plus first form and object. Now look at this rule. In affirmative, we studied that second form is used, but in negative, we have used first form because with did or did not, we use only first form of the verb. Subject, did not, first form and object. Now example, the teacher did not teach us today. In this sentence, subject, the teacher, did not, first form of the verb, teach, object, us, today, etc. The teacher did not teach us today. The teacher did not teach us today. Now second example, Meera did not cook the food. Meera did not, first form cook, object the food. This is negative. Always remember we have used first form. Many students make mistakes. Did not plus second form. They use second form. This is wrong. We have to use only first form. Now clear? Subject did not, first form object. The teacher did not teach us today. Meera did not cook the food. Interrogative. In interrogative, yesterday I explained there are many types of interrogative, but this is the rule. By using this rule, we can create other types of interrogative sentences. First of all, question word. Yesterday I explained this question word is not compulsory that you will find in every sentence. Question word, after that did, subject, not, first form and object. Question word and not is not compulsory that you will find in every sentence. If question word is given, then it will be written before did. Now look at the example. Did the servant clean the room? Now look at the sentence. This sentence has been started using did. So we will not use question word because question word is not given in the sentence. Did, subject, the servant, not, no given. First form, clean, object, the room. Did the servant clean the room? Next example. Did the students not complete the work? Now, this sentence also has been started using did. Did, subject, the students, not, given, yes. First form, complete, object, the work. Did the students not complete the work? Next, where did they find this book? Now look at this sentence. This sentence has been started using question word. So first of all, we will write the question word. After that, did, subject, not, no. First form, find, object, this book. Where did they find this book? Fourth, why did Mohan not help you? Question word, did, subject, Mohan, not is given. Okay. First form, help, object, you. Why did Mohan not help you? Some other interrogative sentences also. Who broke this chair? Yesterday I explained this sentence contains who. Who means question word, and in this sentence who is also working as a subject. So who broke this chair? We are using this sentence as affirmative sentence. Subject, second form plus object. Now next, who did not learn this lesson? Subject, did not, first form, this lesson. This sentence has been used as negative sentence, but this is interrogative. Who working as a subject, so we have used who. After that, did not learn this lesson. Whom did he beat? In this sentence, whom is working as a question word and as an object also. Whom did he beat? Did, he is the subject, beat first form. Whom did he beat? Where is the object? This is the object. This is question word and object. This is question word and subject. Now next, whom did Mohini not give her book? Whom, question word and object. Did Mohini, subject, not give her book. Next, which book did you select? In this sentence, which is the question word. We cannot use only this question word. With this question word, the related noun is also used. Which book, how many students, how much milk, etc. These type of question words contain related to the noun. Which book did you select? You subject, before this did and select. So these are some examples of interrogative sentence also. Thank you. Any problem? Call me on my WhatsApp number.